guys, I wanted to go ahead and just do a really quick overview of the Victorinox Compact, and then after this video, I'm going to break this and completely modify it using this, which is something I recently bought. This is a Knipix bolt cutter, and when I put 2 and 2 together, I think actually I could use this to completely break this apart. So anyway, let's talk about the Victorinox Compact. This is actually one of the most popular models out there. Quite a few people love this one. Let's go ahead. And the reason why, it's because it's a very minimalist setup here. So you've got your big blade here. Then on here, you've got your scissors. Okay. You've got your scissors here. And then you've got your can opener, and then mini pry bar, so to say. And then you've got, these are the two parts I don't like. So this is the bottle opener. So I actually am not much of a wine drinker. And what I'm thinking about doing is breaking that right apart, just seeing if I can. Another thing is, yeah, I just don't find much value in it. Okay, now let's go and give it a shot. Do not do this at home, folks, but I'm going to first break this and see if it can be broken. So 1 moment. Damn, I guess it can't. Well, there you have it, folks. It can't be broken with this. Well, that makes this kind of a useless bolt cutter. It can't even break it. What the hell? I'd figure it would be able to. Let's try it again. God. So much for that idea. Well, that's a short video. All right, you guys have a great one.